I just want to say thank you to Mark from Minnesota for sharing this tip with us. So Mark has reminded me of a little technique which I haven't yet made a video of. So basically, when you first get through a very tight blockage, you could wind your chain like this so that the diameter that it's passing through is a lot smaller in circumference. Like that. Once you've got through the initial blockage, you can then open this like that to clean the rest of the diameter of that pipe. Again, Mark, thank you very much. I appreciate the feedback. Have a super day. Ciao.